2018, I'm trying to ride a motorcycle every day. This is 2 days of that journey. Hashtag 365 motorcycle.
Yeah, we're back. Yep. So this is my second take of this segment. Today is the 30th June, last day of the month. So that means I've ridden every day for 6 months, which is kind of cool. And yeah, today I spent most of the day in the garage working on Norm to get him ready for the trip. It's hard to see now, but he's got a GPS, got a tank bag now, the spot mounted. Yes, had a wire in the GPS. It took a little bit of time just getting the wires right. There's not a lot of room up on top of the AT to pass wires and stuff, so it's pretty tight wiring, and it's pretty easy, it looks like, to get stuff clipped up. So yeah, and I moved the heated hand grips because they were mounted on the brush guard mounts, which already interfere with the tank bag a little bit at full lock. I'm running the Jivy tank bag for the Africa Twin. So yeah, that interferes a little bit, so I moved it up onto the dash and yeah, put some grip covers on. Did a few other little things. Took a long time, and it's hot as hell today. It's probably like 104, so knew I need to get a ride in. I figured it'd be good to maybe bounce down this road a few times just to see how everything holds up, how I like the positioning of stuff. I know the tank bag interferes with me riding, standing up a little bit, so not as bad as it bothers Mrs. Smith when she stands riding up, but it's definitely my junk's in it all the time. It's interesting, I probably commented this before. I think this one guy lives on the street, and then like he's got all his friends or people visit him. I don't know what's going on, but who would live down here? It's pretty odd. And then they just block the road, man. It's pretty ridiculous. So, I don't know. This is where I got sidetracked last time, thinking about these hee-haws. But I guess it is what it is. I guess they're really not bothering anybody, other than pissing me off because they decide to park in the middle of the road. Here goes a jackrabbit. See, this road is really messed up. Forgot the cameras on, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. This is my ride, just to test out the bike, test out the stuff. Still got more to do when I get home. Gotta visit with my turtles, change their water, give them some food. Want to pull the camping gear out and just get that ready so we can start looking at it. Yep. Alright, well, I'll stop here. Turn the ABS back on. Alright, well, guess that's it. Talk to you next month. With that, peace out. And we're back.
We're back.
Yep.
Yep.
July 1st.
First, not fourth.
First. That's what I said.
Oh, yeah.
First,
Yep.
as in one.
One. Yep.
And today is the start of my 7th month of riding. Every day.
Every day.
So yep, today I'm at Prairie City with Mrs. Smith. We're on the CRFs. It's not as hot as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty nice. Better than yesterday so far. So yep, just coming around here, trying to run the bikes, get some dirt legs back under us.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mrs. Smith is taking a training class. Another training class.
Oh yeah, in Colorado, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think I slept funny last night. My back's all sweet.
You got a Yami behind you.
Oh, okay.
I might want to pass you. I'll meet you at the bottom.
I say go ahead. You can pass me. Oh, you're doing a loop? Okay. Okay, cool.
It's nice you talk to the Yamaha rider.
Yeah. Well, I was trying to let him pass. He was like, oh, I'm not going down the hill.
Okay, gotcha.
Oh.
Cool. Got you coming down the hill. That hill looks huge on film. Alright, just keep going.
Okay.
Woohoo! Just don't throw any rocks at me. Mrs. Smith's wearing my awesome military grade camelback today.
I'll just lead until we get to the gravel parking lot part.
Yeah, either if you want me to lap you, I will.
Yeah.
This is our Prairie City day. Alright, once you make this turn, I'll ask you if there's anything else you want to say.
Alright.
Anything else you want to say, MRS?
No.
Alright, well with that, peace out! Peace out! Back!
We're back.
Yep. Doing the loop the other way.
Yep.
I'm going to try to climb this steep hill to the left.
Okay.
It'll make good video if I fuck up. Let's see what happens. I am king of the world! Alright, here comes Mrs. Smith around the bend.
I forget where I go. I go up
third
here.
one.
Okay.
Next turn.
Yep. Are you behind me?
No, I'm on the fence line.
Okay.
I'm the one where I almost flipped over before. So I'm going too fast. Woohoo! I'm sweating now.
Me too. All right, another drink.
Let's finish this lap.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You want to just do one more or you want to get a drink?
Let's do it. We can do one more then.
Alright, cool. Alright, with that, peace out!
Well, we probably spent another hour and a half at Prairie City and then went home, had a beer, and did some chores.